Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, my friend. Today we are making boneless country style ribs in the air fryer. Let's do it. I'm going to begin by spraying my ribs with olive oil cooking spray, little pink Himalayan salt, organic no salt seasoning. Now we're going to put them in the air fryer. We're going to turn it on at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook for 15 minutes. In about 7.5 minutes, I will come back and flip the ribs over. All right, let's check on these ribs and turn them over. They're looking good. We'll come back and check them in another 7 minutes. Our internal temperature is over 150 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're good to go. Now I'm going to put Sweet Baby Ray's sauce over our ribs. We're going to put them in for 1 more minute to seal in that sizzling barbecue sauce. Oh my goodness, those look amazing. I'm going to put them back in and just let them rest for about 5 minutes, then I'll come back and do a taste test. All right, it's time for a taste test. Look at these amazing ribs. Oh my. Wow, those are so tender, juicy, and amazing. Dinner's gonna be yummy tonight. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.